Hey you guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today's video is a baby hairs tutorial video. Alright, in it I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do yourself baby hairs. Yeah, so without wasting your time, I'm just going to get right into the video. Okay you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then don't forget to click on that notification bell down below so that when I post my videos you will be notified. This is the edge smoothing gel that I usually use to control my edges. To keep my baby hair smooth and in place, I use a toothbrush. Here you can see that I was applying the gel using the toothbrush, right? The next step here, I used the spray. Okay, I applied the spray on the gelled hair, on the gelled baby hairs, right? The aim was to make the baby hairs smooth and also to easily brush them into place, yeah. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you can see how the baby hairs looks like, right?